Portia Simpson-Miller tells TVJ News why she will not set her timeline to step aside as PNP president. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the PNP president hints at consequences for those whom she says are making party problems public.
Peter Bunting on whether he will run for PNP president.
Trinidad's Prime Minister is in Jamaica for talks. What Keith Rowley is saying about Jamaicans. His country keeps turning back from its shores.
The fate of the driver from the fatal flat bridge crash that killed 6 people.
In the business day, IMF calls for Britain and the US to help banks in smaller countries facing a new crisis.
There is also a ray of hope, sports commentary, and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
A road safety official says there needs to be a fix for the flat bridge in St. Catherine, given the number of fatal crashes. What do you think?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.